How to add comment in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a comment. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now here, you can select the image that you want to edit. Here I'm tapping on one. So I've been loaded to this editing interface. Now, in order to add a comment, first you must edit the images and later you can put on the comment. Now here on the top, you can see this message like icon. Simply tap on this icon. So this is the comment section. Now we can add any of the comment here. So here I'm tapping on one, and here simply tap on this send button. So as you can see, the comment has been posted. So later you'll be able to know about the details of photo if you want to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.